Hey everyone, it's Roota here. So I'm gonna show you my office tour today. I'm so excited for it. I'm sure you guys are gonna be excited too because a lot of you guys have been messaging me on Instagram since years to do an office tour. I finally was able to do it, and man, it took a lot of time to clean everything because we have no house help right now. We are not calling anyone. So anyways, I cleaned everything up in the morning, made it look decent and presentable, and I'm excited to show you. Currently I'm in my living room, but I'm gonna take you into the office now. Okay, so I'm finally in my office. I'm not gonna show you anything from the outside because I haven't cleaned everything up from the outside. However, the office is good to go. I'm excited to show you. Alright, so I'm gonna get started with this wall right over here. This is my favorite feature of the office because it is colorful and personal and customized, and it makes me really happy. So I'm gonna show that to you guys. Yeah, so this is the first frame. I really like it because it's really colorful and really sassy. It says be bold, be honest, and a lot of different things. I really like it. Then this one is you're capable of amazing things. This one is there are no shortcuts to any place worth going. This is a picture of me on my wedding day. This one says, let me show it from here. The force is strong with this one. Reach for the stars. Be your own kind of beautiful. So, and then this one is of my husband Rachit and me from Hawaii. I really like this photo because of the background. It really makes me feel good. And this one, this is so special. So let me show you from this side. There's a shadow because the window is right in front. But actually this is the Marauders map. If you're a fan of Harry Potter just like me, then you know, you would kind of recognize this. And this is an entire thing. It's a huge map. It opens up fully just like it was in the movie. We actually got this from the Wizarding World of Harry Potter, and when we visited it, so it's really cool and I really love it. Just below this wall, so this is what it looks like. Just below this wall, if you see that, I have my workout bench, I have my dumbbells, a yoga mat, and my workout shoes. Okay, so the reason why I have workout stuff in my office is because I use my office as an office for work and also for doing my workouts. It's like my one room where I need to do everything I want to do for my mental health, like my meditation, my journaling, my workout, and my actual work. So it's this room in my house is all mine, and I have kind of made it functional. If you would notice, it's a small room. I'll show you in a bit, but it has only the things which are either needed or they make me really happy. And I actually have a huge space I'm going to show you in a bit where I can actually put the yoga mat down and do my workouts, because you know, if I don't have a dedicated space for workout, it just doesn't happen. And now that everything is here, there's a space in between to work, it really motivates me to work out. Also, so this is the second feature that I really like. So this is a mirror that I got. It's white, it's clean, I really love it. So if you can see, there's a huge space over here which lets me work out. So my yoga mat can go here and I can look at myself in the mirror, like, you know, just have fun while dancing because I love doing that. Or if I'm doing, because I do my workouts at home, I want to see my form, I can easily do that over here. So that is that. So this is a wardrobe, and I'm not going to show you inside, but it really has all of my gym clothes and you know, any other office related supplies that are there. Then this is the mirror, just like I told you. I really like it. Then this one is actually a small space for me to put all of my recording gear. So like this is my Yeti microphone, this is my Logitech camera, this is the Canon related stuff, an adapter, some more tripod adapters. So that's that. This one is a plant. I really love plants around me. All across my home you will find a lot of plants. Green just makes me really happy. When you have greens at your home, it releases your stress. I really love it, nurturing them, taking care of them, and just how they look, I absolutely love it. Then we have this corner, which is where I put my artificial light, which is there. Sometimes I use it for recording. Then this one is a tripod, which I use for, again, recording content and ads and things like that. I really like the curtain colors that I have, because they really pop and make it seem cozy. Curtains make a huge difference in how a room looks. Then just behind this is actually a painting which I'm not able to hang on the wall right now because of the lockdown and stuff. But this was a painting actually given to me as a wedding gift by one of my best friends. So she wasn't able to attend the wedding, but she made it herself, painted it herself. It has a purple mountain, and I'm doing Garba apparently. So it's all according to my vibe, and I really love it. If I see here, this is the window that I have, and as you can see, it has a great view. It has also a great view of the balcony. I have a ton of plants on the outside also. Okay, then I have this sofa, this purple sofa. Again, I had it made because the color I wanted wasn't available. I love blocks of color. I love purple things. I love the color purple. So obviously I have things around which have a lot of purple. So let me show you. So this is what the sofa looks like. I had it custom made, so it's a bit huge than normal, just so I can put my feet up and work. And the length of this handles is also huge, so I can put my laptop and work. So it's actually fun having it customized according to my needs. Then I have this book that I'm reading right now. So my current book, whatever I'm reading, I put it here on my sofa in the morning. When I do my morning routine, the entire morning routine actually happens here. My journaling, my book reading, my meditation, my morning drink, all of it happens here. So this is the morning routine space, this is the workout space, and this is actually the workspace which I'm gonna come to. So I really love this sofa. Then I have another plant over here again, which I really like. Here we have a few trinkets and stuff. So this one is actually a Hogwarts piece, which I really like. Again, we picked up from the Wizarding World. This is a small plant. This was again something gifted to me by KLM. The first time I ever flew business class, they gave it, which was quite special. So I have kept it here. Then I have another plant, another photo of me and Rachit. So that's the entire vibe of this wall, which is a window, which is backlit right now, but you get the point. Okay, so the next portion is my desk where the actual work happens. I'm always working on this desk, and when I'm like a bit tired or I want to change up the space, then I sit on the sofa and do my work. But usually it's just here. Here is where I do my Q&A calls, my team calls, and all of that stuff. And let me show you around. So this is the chair that I have. I recently got this chair because the other one I had didn't have the right back support, so I'm quite happy with it. Here we have a soft board, not a soft board. So here we have a whiteboard. I like to put my workouts in, or when I'm brainstorming something, I do it over here. Coming back to the desk, this is my laptop, the charging point, phone. We have the pen stand. This is cool. So I put a lot of dry fruits. Always keep it in front of me because when I'm recording things, I need some snacks and healthy snacks. Again, more of my journals. I do a lot of journaling, as you guys know or might know. Okay, so we have this AirPods, eye drops. This hand cream packaging is so cute. I love it. Lip balm. Here I have some quick makeup related items, my lipsticks, moisturizer. If I need to get ready quickly without getting up, I don't need to go outside in my bedroom. Yeah, just grab things from here and the mirror over there and get ready quickly for calls. I have this water bottle. Always have more than one water bottle here, though it's purple. My specs. And so like this is the vibe of the desk entirely, and we have a small dustbin over here. So when I'm working, I'm sitting over here, I can see myself and have fun with myself on the camera, on the mirror, and I have everything I need on my desk. I try to keep things clean as much as possible, and then when I see outside there's a view which again really makes me happy. So this is okay, can I set this up? Okay, so this was my office tour. I hope you guys liked it. Man, it took less time to shoot it than to actually clean it. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed the office tour. I really love this office. As I showed you guys, when you have a space which motivates you, which inspires you, which lets your creative juices flow, you're gonna be you know, more creative, you're gonna be more productive, you're gonna work harder for all the goals that you want to achieve when you have a positive, cozy space. And I'm not saying, as you can see, like nothing I have is super fancy or anything. This is just plain normal stuff, but I've actually decorated it as per my taste. And I've kept it very functional so that I can work out over here, I can dance over here. I love dancing. I can do my morning routine on the sofa with my journals. I can read my business books in the morning. I can do my meditation over there, and you know, this space really inspires me. When I started my journey like 3.5 years ago, I basically started it from an apartment which I obviously was sharing with 2 other people. So I had just my own room, the bed was there, everything was there. I was just eating, sleeping, everything on that same room. I just had a small table in the corner of the room where I was recording content. So if you like look at my previous YouTube videos, you might see a room. That is where I exactly started. So I did not have an office space of mine when I started, but that was always the dream, to actually have my office space, which really inspires me. And I'm so glad that I got to share that with you guys today. And let me know in the comments below how you like the office. Did you take any inspiration from it? Do you want to start you know, decorating and creating your own office space which motivates you? Let me know below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because we are actually pretty consistent with the content that we are doing right now, and I really enjoy it. So let me know what other things that you would like to see from me, and I'll see you guys. Thanks for watching.